You sit down at your desk, open your laptop, and get ready to start a normal workday. You have no reason to suspect anything's wrong. But when you try to open your email, nothing happens. Your mouse stutters across the screen, and the entire computer suddenly feels incredibly slow. Instead of your desktop, an animation like this diagram plays out. Strange warning boxes multiply and stack over your work. It is confusing. Your instinct is to frantically click the X on every box, trying to close them to get back to your tasks. These glitches are rarely random hardware hiccups. They act as a digital smoke alarm, warning you that malicious software has likely made its way onto your device. Recognizing these small, annoying changes is the first step toward finding a solution, before your data is put at risk. To understand what is happening, we have to look at how the device itself is performing. Take a look at this graphic. It shows two common warning signs. First, processing speed crawls to a halt. Second, your battery drains unnaturally fast, even if fully charged. You might also hear your computer's fan roaring or feel the device getting very hot. On your screen, you might see your web browser forcing you to unfamiliar websites or notice strange new apps launching entirely on their own. This intense physical strain happens because hidden programs are hijacking your computer's power to run their own tasks in the background. The warnings can also be much more direct. You might see an alert like the one on this monitor, with your security software flashing a warning triangle, telling you it found a threat. Inside your folders, essential documents might suddenly disappear, get locked behind a password you did not set, or have their file names scrambled into random letters. The device might also show unusual network activity, constantly sending out data even when you leave the computer sitting completely idle. And then there are the external signs. If your phone starts buzzing with messages from colleagues asking about a weird link you supposedly emailed them, your account is being used to target others. These hidden programs are designed to lock up your files and find a path onto your broader network. So if you are sitting at your desk, staring at a screen full of pop-ups and a spinning mouse cursor, what should you do? The first rule is simple. Do not ignore the symptoms and hope a quick restart will fix the problem. You must not continue using the infected device. Opening work files or logging into accounts while these programs are running gives the attacker direct access to your information. Also, do not try to fix the issue by hunting through system folders to delete the suspicious files yourself. Investigating on your own usually provides the exact time and system access the software needs to cause more damage. Instead, follow 3 steps: stop, disconnect, and report. First, stop. Take your hands off the keyboard. Do not click links or open programs. Next, disconnect. Turn off Wi-Fi or unplug network cables to prevent spreading. Finally, report. Use your phone to contact IT immediately. Early reporting can stop malware from spreading. Your quick action helps protect your device, your data, and your organization. Experts Academy, building cyber-aware communities. By taking these steps, you help stop threats before they reach your colleagues. Every report makes our community safer.